Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to link Ubisoft to Twitch. So let's get started. First, open your Twitch account. Now go for Profile, then select Settings. Now from this menu, we are going to click into Connections. Now from here, scroll down and we will see Ubisoft. Just go ahead and click on Connect. Now here you can log into your account. So that's how you can easily connect Ubisoft to Twitch. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Ubisoft. Ubisoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Ubisoft today. For more details, check the description box.